I love dogs as much as anybody. And usually, when someone offers to bring a dog out, I get really happy. Unless, of course, a cop has pulled me over and he's asking if I consent to having a canine unit search my car. This video teaches you everything you need to know when canine units and drug dogs come sniffing for your car. I don't care how adorable this dog is, and that is a cute dog. What's going on in the video is disgusting. A cop is teaching the dog to false alert, and this was from a case in 2018. There's only one correct answer when an officer says, "Can I bring the canine unit out or the drug dogs?" And that answer is no, you do not have my permission. It's important to remember that you are never required by law to consent to a search. Every time an officer is asking you for permission to search, that usually means they need permission to search. So you can clearly state, no, you do not have my consent to search. Most of the time that this is going to come up, it's going to be a traffic violation. The cop has pulled you over because you were speeding or a taillight was out or some other pretext. And they're going to say, do you mind if I search the vehicle? When you say no, there's a limitation to how long the cops can keep you. The law and the Fourth Amendment, your constitutional rights, protect you from unreasonable seizures. And the cops have a very specific line of evidence that they have to show to give them permission to bring that dog out. It may take them hours to be able to get a canine unit out there. And even if the canine indicates and finds contraband in your vehicle, a good lawyer can show that the search was done in violation of your Fourth Amendment rights and get whatever was found in that search thrown out. By refusing to consent to a search, you give your lawyer the best chance to defend you in court. Remember, I'm not your lawyer. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel if you like real world practical help. This video from the Institute for Justice shows what happened when someone consented and let a drug dog search their vehicle, only for the officer to cause the dog to give a false positive. And they break it down, but let's look at the footage. The officer has the dog approach the vehicle and it starts to do its circle. This channel does a great job of checking the body cam footage. You see here, the dog is making eye contact to the handler and the handler starts to make a tapping motion. Once he does that off screen, the dog indicates and the cop says, "I've got a positive alert." That's bad. A cop lying and causing a dog to lie and to try to get it on camera so they could use it as evidence, that's bad. But what happens next is even more infuriating. You can see the cop starts tearing up the vehicle, at one point even getting a pocket knife out and cutting into the lining of the vehicle. Remember, the dog gave a false positive and he starts ransacking the vehicle, pulling out construction equipment. This guy's a hardworking man with just tools and clothes. You can see the hard hat. Check the link below for more info on that video. We're going to go over the bullet points that you need to remember when an officer tries to bring the drug dog to your car. Do not consent. State clearly that they do not have your permission. Don't say anything. Ask for an attorney. Remember, an attorney is the only person in this exchange who wants to fight for you on your side. If you need access to an attorney that'll give you a free consult and help point you in the right direction, my name is Josh Stramiello. I'm an attorney licensed in multiple states. Go to notyourlawyer.law or call the number below and I will help you personally. And if I can't, I will help you get set up with a local attorney. Remember, you have Fourth Amendment rights. Don't let them get stepped on. See you guys next time. There's great cases of precedent that a canine search is actually a Fourth Amendment violation. Check out Rodriguez versus the United States, which is an example of a police officer pulling out the canine unit even after the driver of the vehicle refused, ultimately getting the entire case thrown out. You're always in a better position knowing what your rights are.